is in right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of remaining two sides. Now we have to study and prove the converse of Pythagoras theorem. Now it means that if in a given triangle the square of one side is equal to sum of squares of remaining two sides, then that triangle is right angle triangle. So this is the statement of converse. If in a triangle the square of one side is equal to sum of the squares of remaining two sides, if such condition is satisfied, that is the square of one side is equal to sum of squares of remaining two sides, if this condition is satisfied, then that triangle is right angle triangle. So the triangle is right angle triangle if the square of one side is equal to the sum of squares of remaining two sides. So this statement is called as converse of Pythagoras theorem, and this we have to prove. So let's draw here figure. Consider triangle ABC. We do not know whether this angle ABC is 90 degree or not. We have to prove it. Now in this triangle, what is given? The square of one side is equal to sum of squares of remaining two sides. Here consider longest side here. So AC square, it is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is given to us. Square of one side. So let's write given from the figure. So here given in triangle ABC, AC square, square of one side is equal to AB square plus BC square. So to prove, what we have to prove here, this triangle is right angle triangle, that is this angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. If this angle becomes 90 degree, then this triangle will be right angle triangle. So for proving this, we have to construct here another triangle. Here triangle PQR, we have constructed here triangle PQR such that in this triangle angle PQR is 90 degree and this side PQ is congruent with side AB and side BC is congruent with side QR. So we have constructed triangle PQR such that its side PQ is congruent with side AB and side BC is congruent with side QR. So here we are going to write in construction, draw triangle PQR such that AB equals to PQ, BC equals to QR and angle PQR is 90 degree. So we have constructed this. So let's see proof. In triangle PQR, this angle Q is 90 degree. It means that triangle PQR is a right angle triangle. So let's apply Pythagoras theorem in it. We know that in right angle triangle, square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of remaining two sides forming right angle. So PR is hypotenuse. So we can write here PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Now it is given that PQ is equal to AB. This side PQ is equal to side AB. The lengths of these two sides are equal. So instead of PQ square, instead of PQ, we can write here AB. So it will become AB square. And QR is equal to BC. So replacing QR by BC because these two are equal. So we get next step here. So instead of PQ square, it becomes AB square. And instead of QR square, it becomes BC square. So PR square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now AB square plus BC square, this sum of squares of these two sides is equal to AC square. This is given to us, that is square of one side. Look at the statement in a triangle. If square of one side is equal to sum of squares of remaining two sides. So in triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is given to us. So sum of squares of these two sides AB and BC. So AB square plus BC square, its value is AC square. So in equation 1, we can substitute here AB square plus BC square. Sum of these two square is equal to AC square, because observe here AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So we have written here, instead of this we have written here AC square. So left hand side is PR square and right hand side is AC square. So taking square roots of both sides, we get here PR is equal to AC. This is equation 3rd. That is, side PR of triangle PQR is also congruent with side AC of triangle ABC. Now observe these two triangles. Consider their congruent elements. So PR is congruent with AC. This is proved in equation 3. AB is equal to PQ. This is, we have done here construction. AB equals to PQ, and BC is also equals to QR. It is also written in construction. So three sides of triangle PQR are congruent with corresponding three sides of triangle ABC. It means that triangle PQR and triangle ABC are congruent by side test of congruence of triangle. Triangle ABC is congruent with triangle PQR. So if two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding elements are also congruent. So here considering corresponding angles. So if we consider corresponding angle, then angle B, its corresponding angle is angle Q. So measure of angle Q is 90 degree. It means that measure of angle B is also 90 degree, because corresponding angles of congruent triangles are also congruent. So angle ABC is equal to angle PQR equals to 90 degree, and this we have to prove. That is, the measure of angle ABC is 90 degree. That we have to prove, and here we have proven it. That is, angle ABC is 90 degree. It means that the triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. So here given square of one side is equal to sum of squares of remaining two sides. This is given to us, and we have proved that in this triangle, this angle ABC is 90 degree. That is a right angle triangle. So in this way we have proved the converse of Pythagoras theorem. That is, if the square of one side is equal to sum of the squares of remaining two sides, then the triangle is right angle triangle.